Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel where we cover the news, facts, and sentiments about the crypto market. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, really quick heads up, I have scheduled the interview with the Binance US CEO, Catherine Cooley. It is scheduled for next week, so make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell set up. And if you have any questions you would like me to ask her, head to my Twitter profile, link in the description, where you can respond to my tweet about what questions you would like me to ask her, guys. So definitely make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell enabled. Guys, the crypto market right now, it doesn't look that great, right? We're kind of moving sideways. We're going a little bit up and then pulling back. But I always tell you, zoom out to have perspective, because we have lived through many different bull cycles and bull and bear. And these are the cycles that exist in many other markets, right? Whether it's stocks, other assets, real estates, and so forth. And we are currently in the next bull cycle. Now, these bull cycles and bear cycles can last for years, so you got to keep that in mind. And you can't get caught up in the weekly and even the monthly charts, and daily for sure not, unless you're day trading, where it can get discouraging because you're not seeing the movements. But you got to zoom out and see from a macro perspective, these movements take time. And that is where the average Joe, for the most part, loses out, because smart money is able to have patience and go through these cycles. And the Bitcoin halving is coming up in May, the third halving. And, we could potentially now, we're talking probabilities, not certainties, see a price point for Bitcoin higher than we had before, right? Definitely 20,000 plus. Some are saying the peak could hit near 100,000. We'd have to see. But this time around, we got a lot of institutional money. We got a lot of infrastructure built out. So a lot of big things are here that were not here in 2017 and in the past bull run. So we're highlighting Bitcoin because the market moves with Bitcoin at this point. But this looks good. I like this chart. I wanted to show you guys. It highlights the bull, bear, bull cycle. So we are in that bull cycle, guys, and it's a matter of patience. So wanted to share this. Hope this is helpful in getting perspective. Now, something I found interesting, People's Bank of China to destroy billions of cash in areas hit hard by coronavirus. And this shows one of the weaknesses in fiat currencies, right? Where the money itself, that piece of paper, has its limitations and also its pitfalls, right? Where viruses, disease, whatever it may be, people can easily destroy it. But when we move to a digital format, right, which many of the central banks are trying to do now, you eliminate a lot of these issues. And the crypto movement really started the move for digital fiat, digital currencies. And we see a lot of central banks are doing it. So interesting situation that this is happening now. And it makes sense, of course. But at this respective time, right, when we're moving to a digital format, I found it interesting, guys. Now, some interesting news from MoneyGram. MoneyGram is expanding use of Ripple and XRP corporate and personal account transfers to be powered by RippleNet, which is really great news. So on an earnings call, a MoneyGram earnings call, the CEO of MoneyGram, Alex Holmes, says MoneyGram plans to launch XRP remittances in additional corridors and utilize RippleNet for account-to-account transfers. So we know the main corridor they've been moving money with XRP is between the US and Mexico. As I've talked about in this channel many times, the plan is to crawl, walk, run. They will start new corridors, test it out, make sure everything's running smoothly, then the volume will kick in. They'll scale it, right? And they'll open up new corridors, guys. This is how real businesses work, and it does take time. So here's a quote from Alex. Our progress on the Ripple partnership has been instrumental in helping us lead the evolution of digital P2P payments. Today, our trading volume continues to grow, and we're partnering to expand the service to more corridors. Great news, because XRP is being part of that, of course. I'm also excited to announce that we're working to integrate RippleNet for account-to-account transfers in 2020. This new integration will further accelerate our progress in accomplishing our vision for real-time global settlements. And this is what XRP is being used to solve. Instant settlement, guys, moving money faster, cheaper, more secure, and no lag in settlement. It's instantly settled. So MoneyGram's account-to-account feature is designed to let customers easily transfer money between their bank accounts, even if those accounts are located in different countries around the world. That's awesome, guys. So big things ahead, and I'm very excited. And just some additional details. Late last year, Holmes said the company is specifically looking at the use of XRP across Asia and Australia. We're looking, here's a quote, we're looking at now in a lot of Asian markets. So we're looking at Philippines, the interface with Australia, having conversations with Japan and other countries. One of the most inefficient things about our settlement process is being a U.S. company. In being a U.S. company, is that everything is always reverted back to U.S. dollars. It doesn't make a lot of sense if you need Australian dollars and you need Philippine pesos and you need U.S. dollars. Why can't you sort of pair those off and just net it through an XRP platform? Bullish items here. And this is the CEO of a publicly traded company, guys. I know a lot of people in the crypto market sometimes have the mentality, or they're stuck in the world of crypto or bubble of crypto, not realizing this stuff here, this crypto, these digital assets have to be applied in the real world. And this is why I hold XRP in my portfolio. Don't get me wrong, I hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. XRP is one of my top, of course, because of the use case, guys. So exciting stuff. Now, we've talked a lot about it on this channel. I've shown you guys the facts, banks, stock exchanges, financial conglomerates, corporate companies, and so forth. They are all getting involved in crypto. So Germany's second largest exchange, Boerse Stuttgart, lists short Bitcoin ETP. So they're building a lot of financial products around cryptos, guys. Investors looking to short Bitcoin have a new option in Germany. Now, I don't like this in a sense that they're trying to short, but hey, look, if we want to make this market as huge as the other markets like stocks and so forth, these are the products you have to have in place to bring in big money. And you know, there's people who are going to be looking to go long, right? And there's going to be people looking to short. It is what it is. So Boerse Stuttgart, the country's second largest stock exchange, announced a listing of the exchange-traded product ETP that is inversely correlated to the cryptocurrency's price swing. So pretty straightforward, but this is where we're headed. You're going to see a lot of different stock exchanges adding products like these. Now, I always tell you guys, watch what the big money is doing. And I always tell you to think about it from a business standpoint. Are these people looking to lose the money they're investing, the millions of dollars you're putting into crypto itself, into the companies building the infrastructure, the hardware, software, solutions, services? They don't want to lose their money. They want to make a return on their investment, right? And we're seeing more and more investments, millions. So crypto-friendly fintech firm Revolut, which we've talked about on this channel, raises $500 million at a $5.5 billion valuation. This is great. Crypto. So let me back up here. With the fresh capital in place, London-based Revolut plans to improve its product and revenue. All of these guys are trying to just set up shop, get their services in line because they know mainstream adoption is coming and more big institutional investors are going to get in. So Revolut, of course, you can buy, sell, trade crypto and so forth. And it's been around for a good amount of time now. Finally, some more investment news. CoolBitX, if I'm saying that right, raises 16.75 million Series B to help what? Crypto exchange comply with the FATF's travel rules. So you're seeing all types of services being built to really accommodate this market, right? In all aspects, whether that be regulation, in providing security, in providing guidance on complying with regulations. So this is a great sign. And people are putting the money in, guys, millions of dollars. And this, I wish I had this type of money because I would be investing in these crypto companies too. Ones that make sense that I see could potentially have a future. So this is great to see, and it shows the maturation of the market. So guys, what do you think about this news? Especially the MoneyGram. I think this is really, really great for XRP. And like I said, guys, all cycles. Do you have the patience? That is the key, to wait through the cycles. So we'd love to hear what you think. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description. I will talk to you guys later.